Good morning, sir. I'm Chloe Sofia Vergara, your student nurse from 7 a.m. until 4 p.m. today po. If you need something or if you have any concern, don't hesitate to call for my assistant po. So, first, let me just check your identity po, sir. Can you please state your name and your age?
Raymond Guardo, 39 years old.
How about your birthday po?
September 1980.
Okay, thank you po. How about your privacy, sir? Do you want me to close the curtains or are you comfortable right now?
I'm comfortable right now.
Okay, sir. So I'm going to explain the procedure today. So I will be assessing your peripheral vascular system by palpating and inspecting your arms, legs, and your pulses. So some scenarios might feel uncomfortable, and if you feel that way, just tap my shoulders so that we can reassess this uncomfortable situation. Is that okay with you, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so before we start I'm going to ask you some questions and answer it properly and with honesty So first, does your family have a history of heart problems or heart disease like stroke?
No?
How about hypertension
No.
Do you smoke, sir, or use tobacco or vape?
No.
When was the last time you drink alcohol, sir?
Last 3 months?
When was the last time you do your exercise
Kanina umaga lang.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, rest assured that all our information and the result for this assessment will be completely confidential between you and me and the attending physician that I'll be referring to you if needed Is that okay with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you So, I'm going to sanitize my hands now So, let's begin our assessment by inspecting your arms. Can you just extend your arms like this Very good. Okay I see that your arms are symmetry. The skin color is normal. No signs of edema, no lumps, no scars Okay, let me just palpate your arms, sir. You have a pinkish color of your fingertips sir. While palpating, I see that you have a smooth texture of your arms. The temperature is normal I'm going to palpate your radial pulse your ulnar pulse, and your brachial pulse The left hand naman Okay So now I'm going to do the capillary refill time sir. I'm going to pinch your fingertip and it must go back to its normal color Okay, good. Thank you. Now let's move on to your legs sir. And you can stay down Okay I'm going to inspect your legs So while inspecting, sir, I see that you have no signs of ulcers. Your legs are symmetry, also have a normal color and no hair loss So let me just palpate your legs also. You have a smooth texture and your temperature of the legs is also normal So now I'm going to palpate the pulse of behind of your knee. Your posterior tibial pulse, your dorsalis pedis pulse other leg Now I'm going to do the Berger's test So I'm going to raise both of your legs and for 1 minute. And are you experiencing any pain right now, sir?
No.
Okay Now, can you please sit facing this side sir? Okay, thank you So, that's the end of our assessment, sir. So, overall, I can say that there are no signs of abnormalities in this assessment. You have a strong pulses during the palpation, which means you have a normal peripheral vascular system and also continue your healthy living. Thank you so much
Thank you.